Now discuss about the new concept in this topic, hydrolysis of salt. You know hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of water, means any substance dissolved in the water, then formation of the ions. Here hydrolysis of salt. Types of salt. 4 types of the salt. First, salt of strong acid. Strong acid and strong base. Second, salt of strong acid and weak base. Third, salt of weak acid and strong base. Fourth, salt of weak acid and weak base. These are the 4 types of the salt, and discuss about the salt. Consider strong acid and strong base. You know salt like a table salt, common salt. This is a NaCl. NaCl, Na2SO4, NaNO3, KCl, KNO3. These are the type of the strong acid and strong base. Next, strong acid, weak base like ammonium chloride, copper sulfate, copper chloride, so on. Next, weak acid, strong base. Salt of weak acid, strong base. Example, sodium acetate, potassium cyanide, KCN, sodium acetate, CH3COO, This is the salt of weak acid, strong base. Also, common alkali medium, that is Na2CO3. This is also salt of weak acid, strong. Salt of weak acid and weak base like ammonium acetate, CH3COONH4. Ammonium acetate. Another example, ammonium cyanide. Then concept of hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. You know hydrolysis means addition of the water. Here ionization concept here. You know ionization of water means water acts as acid as well as base. Water H2 already discussed. Ionization of water, H2O liquid. Then formation of the hydrated ion is CO plus in aqueous medium and OH minus ion in the aqueous medium. Hydrolysis of salt is defined as the reaction in which cations and anions or both the ions of salt reacts with ions of water to produce acidity, alkalinity or neutrality. This type of the solution means hydrolysis. Salt undergo the hydrolysis means cations. Salt contains 2 types of the ion. One is a cation, that is a positive charge. Another is a anion, that is a negative charge. These cations or anions or both the ions of the salt reacts with water. Ions of the water, that is hydrated ion and OH minus ion to produce acidity solution. Alkaline means basic solution or neutral solution. Salt of strong acid, strong base. One example, NeCl, sodium chloride. This is salt of strong acid, HCl, and strong base, NaOH. You know, salt of strong acid and strong base, when dissolved in water, it dissociates completely. Consider this example, NaCl, dissolved in means aqueous medium to produce Na plus ions plus Cl minus ion in the aqueous medium. The ions Na plus and Cl minus have no tendency to react with water. Have no tendency. This is the important term. Have no tendency to react with water. This is because the possible products NaOH, Na plus ions combines with H plus ion in the water molecule and Cl minus ion combines with Na plus ions combines with OH minus ion in the water molecule and Cl minus combined with H plus ion and formation of the NaOH and HCl of such reaction. Strong electrolytes and dissociate completely in this aqueous medium. Consider these ions Na plus Cl minus in aqueous medium means present water to formation of this Na plus ion combines with OH and this Cl minus combines with HCl NaOH formation of this HCl and NaOH in the aqueous medium. This HCl in aqueous medium and NaOH in the aqueous medium means presence of this water molecule produces water molecule carry H plus ions from this HCl and formation of this hydrated ion in the aqueous medium, formation of Cl minus Na plus in aqueous medium, also formation of the OH minus in the aqueous medium. Thus, the reactants and products are the same. Reactants and products are the same. This implies that neither the cation nor anion of the salt reacts with water or there is no hydrolysis. That is, H3O plus ion means hydrated ion is equal to OH minus ion produced by ionization of water is not disturbed. Therefore, this solution is a neutral solution. Second, salt of strong acid and weak base. Consider one example, copper sulfate. This is the salt of strong acid H2SO4 and weak base copper hydroxide. When copper sulfate dissolved in water, it dissociates completely because this is the salt of strong acid. CuSO4 in an aqueous medium gives the Cu++ in aqueous medium plus SO4 minus in this aqueous medium. These SO4 minus ions of the salt have no tendency to react with water because this is a strong acid. Have no tendency to react with water because the possible product formation of the H2SO4 is a strong electrolyte. The reaction of copper ions, that is Su2+ ions with OH minus ions form unionized copper hydroxide. Due to the presence of the excess of this hydrated ion in this solution, consider these copper 2+ ion. These are not reacted with the water molecule. Therefore, this copper 2+ ion in the aqueous medium reacted with the water molecule means H2O in the aqueous medium, that is liquid state, 4H2O to give copper hydroxide, CuOH taken twice, and produces additional hydrated ions here in this aqueous medium. Due to this excess of hydrated ions, the resulting solution of copper sulfate becomes acidic and turns blue litmus into red. Therefore, formation of the copper hydroxide by hydrolysis makes the aqueous solution of copper sulfate turbid. When we added sulfuric acid, then H+ ions means that is the hydrated ions added, the hydrolytic equilibrium takes place and shift the litmus paper, that is the acidic character or turbidity of the solution to give clear solution. Therefore, this gets in the hydrolysis, that is the salt of strong acid and weak base. Third, salt of weak acid and strong base. Example, sodium acetate, CH3, COO, Na. This is salt of weak acid and strong base. Weak acid, that is acetic acid, CH3COOH, and strong base NaOH. You know, hydrolysis of the sodium acetate in aqueous medium to give CH3COO minus in aqueous medium plus Na plus in this aqueous medium. Water dissociated slightly, you know, H2O liquid gives hydrated ion in aqueous medium plus OH minus ion in this aqueous medium. Solution of the sodium acetate contains Na plus and CH3COO minus ion. Also contains hydrated, that is H plus ion and OH minus ion. These Na plus ions of salt have no tendency to react with OH minus ions of water, since the possible product is formation of this product NaOH. Na plus and OH minus, formation of NaOH, and you know this NaOH is a strong electrolyte. On the other hand, this CH3COO minus ion means acetate ion in this aqueous medium. In aqueous medium means presence of water, gives CH3COOH plus OH minus in the aqueous medium. Means these acetate ions of the salt with hydrated ions form water produces unionized acetic acid, and therefore sodium acetate, hydrolytic equilibrium for this sodium acetate gives excess of OH minus ion, and due to this OH minus ion, this solution becomes basic in nature. Therefore, the solution of the sodium acetate is a basic. For salt of weak acid and weak base, consider Ba is a salt of weak acid and weak base. Weak acid Ha and weak base BOH is a weak base, weak acid. In aqueous medium, this salt formation of B plus plus A minus in the aqueous medium. The hydrolysis reaction involves the interaction of both the ions of the salt with water. A minus in the aqueous medium plus H2O gives formation of the BOH and HA in the aqueous medium, weak base and weak acid. The solution may turn out acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the relative strength of weak base and weak acid. The relative strength between weak base and weak acid formed in the hydrolysis. Means this solution is a basic, you know. This is a basic, this is acidic or neutral solution. This is depends upon the strength of these both, weak base and weak acid. Three different conditions are here. One, if Ka greater than Kb. Second, Ka less than Kb. And third conditions, Ka equal to Kb. First condition, if Ka greater than Kb, the solution will be acidic. Ka, we know Ka and K according to Ostwald dilution law, dissociation constant of weak acid and dissociation constant of weak base. Means dissociation constant of weak acid greater than dissociation constant of weak base, the solution become acidic. If Ka less than Kb, means dissociation constant of weak base greater than weak acid, the solution become basic. And if Ka is equal to Kb, the solution become neutral. First condition, salt of weak acid and weak base for Ka greater than Kb. Salt of weak acid and weak base for Ka greater than Kb means weak acid strength, dissociation constant of weak acid greater than Kb. Example, ammonium fluoride, NH4 here, is salt of weak acid and weak base. You know weak acid here, HF is a weak acid, and base NH4OH is also weak base. Therefore, this is a salt of weak acid and weak base. But here Ka and Kb value, Ka 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 and Kb value 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Which is greater? Means Ka greater than Kb, salt hydrolysis as follows. NH4 plus ion in the aqueous medium undergo the hydrolysis, means addition of the water to formation of, this is a reversible reaction, NH4 is converted into NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, plus H plus ions, that is in water, means in the form of hydrated ion. Reaction is good. F minus ion reacts with the water to give HF plus OH minus ion in the aqueous medium. The NH4 plus ions hydrolyze slightly greater extent than F minus ions. That means the reaction produce more hydrated ions than OH minus ion. Means NH4 is slightly acidic and blue litmus turn to red litmus. Why NH4? You know NH4, ammonium chloride. In the aqueous medium, formation of NH4 plus and F minus. This is the salt of weak acid weak base, but this undergo the hydrolysis, formation of the ammonium hydroxide and hydrated ion. Here excess of hydrated ion are present, and due to this excess of hydrated ion, this NH4 ammonium chloride is slightly acidic and blue litmus turn to red. Ka is less than Kb. Example, ammonium cyanide. This is a salt of weak acid and weak base NH4OH and weak acid HCl. Dissociation constant of weak base and weak acid are 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5, 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. That is Ka less than Kb. When ammonium cyanide dissolved in water is hydrolyzed as in the aqueous medium, formation of NH4 plus ion, Cl minus ion, aqueous medium and give undergo the hydrolysis, gives weak base ammonium hydroxide and weak acid is ammonium hydroxide NH4OH is stronger than HCl hydrogen cyanide. the ions of the salt reacts with the water and formation of means NH4 plus ions in the aqueous medium reacts with the water to give NH4OH plus H plus in the form of hydrated ion. Then Cn minus ion reacts with the water to give HCl plus OH minus ions in the aqueous medium. Here ammonium hydroxide, then formation of this hydrated ion, and here formation of the OH minus ion. The cyanide ions hydrolyzed to greater extent than NH4 plus ions and produces more OH minus ions than the hydrated ions. The solution ammonium cyanide is basic in nature. Thus, the red litmus turn into blue. Condition if Ka is equal to Kb. Example, ammonium acetate. This is the salt of weak acid, weak base, weak acid, CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, and weak base ammonium hydroxide. Dissociation constant of weak acid 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 and dissociation constant of weak base 1.8 into 10 to the power minus, that is Ka is equal to Kb. Therefore, when the salt of ammonium acetate is dissolved in water, formation of the ions in the aqueous medium, then undergo the hydrolysis to give CH3COO, yes, that is acetic acid, and ammonium hydroxide, that is the weak base and weak acid. This CH3COO minus ion, when hydrolyzed or reacts with the water to give CH3COOH plus OH minus ions in the aqueous medium. Ammonium ion NH4 reacts with the water to give ammonium hydroxide plus H plus in the form of hydrated ion in the aqueous medium. Here, when acetate ion reacts with water, formation of the OH minus ion, and ammonium ion reacts with water, formation of the hydrated ion. Ka is equal to Kb, that is OH minus ions is equal to the hydrated ion, that is H3O plus ions. As that here the formation of the equal number of OH minus ion and hydrated ion, therefore this solution is a neutral solution.